preview.
So today we are going to draw a hot dog.
Yeah. So we start with a a Sharpie, a white paper and some
brusho.
colors. And let's start drawing.
First we start with
The
inside part.
outside part.
The inside part.
The outside part. Yes. Then we make concave curve.
I can stand on this.
Same curve once again. That's all. That is so easy.
Oh, which one, please?
Done. That is how easy this drawing is. And our hot dog is done. Now let us color it. Take this. Take this. We are done with this quick drawing of a hot dog.
Just see the other thing.
Parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us, as we always say, on Instagram, and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club. We are excited to see your kids' drawings. We are excited to know how well your kids are taking these up. And kids, if you are a little slow, no problem. The most important thing is to practice, and you will automatically become better with the drawing. See Parikshit, how good he has become with his drawings by just following how I draw. So you just follow the drawings and you will become better and better every single day. So keep drawing and keep having fun with Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. Have a great day. Bye bye.